Hey, you? Yes, you. The one who freezes when your boss walks over to your desk, the one who rehearses a sentence 10 times in your head before saying it out loud, the one who types and deletes emails to your manager over and over again because nothing sounds right. I see you. And I want you to know you are not alone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into your boss's office and suddenly forgot every word of English you knew? Have you ever wanted to say something important in a meeting but stayed silent because you were afraid of making a mistake? Have you ever sent a message to your manager and then spent the next hour worrying, did that sound rude? Was that too casual? Did I say it wrong? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then this lesson was made for you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to speak to your boss with confidence, clarity, and complete professionalism. No more freezing, no more fear, just clear, powerful, professional English, starting today. Welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you are here. I am your English teacher, and today we are diving into one of the most requested topics I receive from learners all around the world: how to speak professionally with your boss or manager in English. Whether you are in Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, India, Germany, or anywhere else on this beautiful planet, this lesson is for you. And here is why this lesson matters so much. Your English at work is not just about grammar. It is about your career. It is about your reputation. It is about how people see you. When you speak confidently and professionally with your manager, they trust you more. They give you more responsibilities. They consider you for promotions. Your English can literally change the direction of your career. So let us not waste another minute. Let us begin. We are going to go through this step by step. Vocabulary, phrases, real dialogues, pronunciation tips, common mistakes, and a full practice section. By the end, you will have everything you need to speak like a true professional. Part 1. Essential vocabulary for the workplace. Before we build sentences, we need strong words. Here are the most important professional words you need when speaking with your boss. The first word is update. This means to give new information about something. You will say this all the time. I wanted to give you an update on the project. The second word is deadline. This is the final date by which work must be completed. I want to make sure I meet the deadline. The third word is priority. This means the most important task. Can you help me understand the priority for this week? The fourth word is feedback. This means your manager's opinion about your work. I would love to get your feedback on this report. The fifth word is available. This means free to meet or talk. Are you available for a quick call this afternoon? The sixth word is clarify. This means to make something clearer. Could you please clarify what you mean by that? The seventh word is follow up. This means to check on something again after the first conversation. I just wanted to follow up on our last discussion. The eighth word is capacity. This means how much work you can handle. I want to be transparent about my current capacity. The ninth word is resolve. This means to fix a problem. I am working to resolve this issue as soon as possible. The 10th word is initiative. This means doing something without being asked. I took the initiative to prepare a draft for you. Excellent. These 10 words alone will make you sound significantly more professional. Use them every single day. Part 2. Daily professional phrases. Now let us turn those words into phrases you can use every day. I will give you the phrase, tell you when to use it, and then we will practice together. Greeting your boss in the morning. Instead of just saying hi or saying nothing at all, try these. Good morning. I hope you had a great weekend. Good morning. I am ready to get started today. Good morning. Do you have a moment to chat when you are free? These are warm, professional, and respectful. They show energy and readiness. Asking for help or guidance. Many learners feel embarrassed to ask for help, but asking the right way actually shows intelligence. Try these phrases. I would appreciate your guidance on this. Could you point me in the right direction? I want to make sure I am doing this correctly. Could you help me understand? I have a question when you have a moment. Notice how every phrase is polite. It respects your boss's time. It does not demand, it requests. Giving an update on your work. Your manager needs to know what you are doing. Do not wait for them to ask. Be proactive. Use these phrases. I wanted to give you a quick update on the project. Just to let you know, I have completed the first draft. The report is on track. I will have it ready by Thursday. I have made some good progress. Would you like me to walk you through it? Asking for clarification. When you do not understand something your boss said, do not stay silent. Ask, but ask professionally. Could you please clarify what you mean? Just to make sure I understand. And are you saying that? I want to confirm. Is the deadline this Friday or next Monday? Could you give me a little more detail on that? These phrases show that you are careful, attentive, and serious about getting things right. Part 3. Professional sentence patterns. A sentence pattern is like a template. You change a few words and the sentence works in many different situations. Let us learn 5 powerful patterns. Pattern 1. For making requests. Would it be possible to, for example, would it be possible to extend the deadline by 2 days? Or, would it be possible to schedule a brief meeting this week? Pattern 2. For apologizing professionally, I apologize for, I will make sure that, for example, I apologize for the delay. I will make sure this does not happen again. Pattern 3. For sharing ideas. I was thinking that we could, what do you think? For example, I was thinking that we could try a new approach for this campaign. What do you think? Pattern 4. For handling problems. I noticed an issue with, I am already working on a solution. For example, I noticed an issue with the data. I am already working on a solution and will have it fixed by end of day. Pattern 5. For asking about priorities. Could you help me understand which task should take priority? For example, I have 3 tasks due this week. Could you help me understand which one should take priority? Beautiful. These patterns are flexible, professional, and easy to remember. Write them down, practice them tonight. Part 4. Real-life dialogues. Let us now listen to real conversations between an employee and their boss. Pay close attention to the tone, the vocabulary, and the structure. Dialogue 1. Asking for feedback. Employee. Good morning. Do you have a few minutes? I would love to get your feedback on the proposal I submitted yesterday. Boss. Sure, I took a quick look. It looks good overall. Just tighten the budget section. Employee. Absolutely. Could you clarify which part of the budget you would like me to focus on? Boss. The third quarter estimates seem high. Just revisit those numbers. Employee. Understood. I will revise it and send you an updated version by noon. Thank you for your time. Notice what the employee did. She was direct, she was polite, she asked for clarification, she gave a clear timeline, and she thanked her boss. That is a perfect professional interaction. Dialogue 2. Handling a missed deadline. Employee. I owe you an apology. I was unable to submit the client report by yesterday's deadline. I should have communicated this to you earlier. Boss. What happened? Employee. I ran into some unexpected technical issues with the data. I am working to resolve it now, and I will have everything ready by tomorrow morning. I have also put a backup system in place so this does not happen again. Boss. All right. Just make sure it is ready by 9 tomorrow. Employee. Absolutely. You have my word. Thank you for your understanding. This employee did not make excuses. She owned the mistake. She explained briefly. She gave a solution, she gave a timeline, and she showed accountability. That is maturity. That is professionalism. Dialogue 3. Requesting a meeting. Employee. Excuse me, I do not want to take too much of your time. Would you be available for a 15-minute meeting sometime this week? I have a few ideas I would like to share about the new project. Boss. How about Wednesday at 2? Employee. Wednesday at 2 works perfectly for me. I will prepare a short agenda and send it to you beforehand. Thank you. Short, clear, respectful of their time. Always confirm the meeting and tell your boss what to expect. That is what professionals do. Part 5. Pronunciation. Tips. Let us work on how to say some of these phrases clearly and confidently. Pronunciation is not about sounding like an American or British person. It is about being clear and easy to understand. Say this after me. I wanted to give you a quick update. Break it down. I wanted to give you a quick update. The word wanted, do not say want it. Say wanted with a soft T sound in the middle. The word update, stress the first syllable. Update, not update. Now say, could you please clarify that for me? Break it down. Could you please clarify that for me? Clarify. Stress is on the first syllable. Clarify. Not clarify. Now say, I apologize for the inconvenience. Break it down. I apologize for the inconvenience. Apologize. Stress on the second syllable. Apologize. Practice these out loud. Your mouth needs to learn these sounds through repetition. Say them 10 times. Say them in front of a mirror. Say them when you wake up in the morning. Part 6. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Let us talk about the mistakes most learners make when speaking with their boss. These are real mistakes I hear all the time. Mistake 1. Being too casual. Learners say, "Hey, can I talk to you?" Professional version, "Excuse me, do you have a moment to chat?" Or learners say, "Yeah, no problem." Professional version, "Of course, I will take care of it." Mistake 2. Being too vague. Learners say, "I will do it later." Professional version, "I will have it ready by 3 o'clock this afternoon." Always give a specific time. Vague answers make you seem unreliable. Mistake 3. Over-apologizing. Learners say, "I am so sorry. I am really very sorry. I apologize so much." Professional version, "I apologize for the delay. I will ensure this is resolved by end of day." Apologize once, clearly, then give the solution. That is all you need. Mistake 4. Saying, "I don't know" without a follow-up. Learners say, "I don't know." Professional version, "I am not sure at the moment, but I will find out and get back to you within the hour." Never just say, "I don't know" to your boss. Always follow it with action. Mistake 5. Translating directly from your native language. In many languages, it is normal to be very direct or use informal titles. In English at work, always add polite phrases. Instead of "give me the file," say, "Could you please send me the file when you get a chance?" The meaning is the same, but the tone is completely different. Part 7. Cultural tips. Here are a few professional culture tips that will help you connect better with your manager, no matter where you work. Tip 1. Respect their time. Always say, "I know you are busy," or "I only need 5 minutes." This shows awareness. Tip 2. Write clear subject lines in emails. Question about project deadline is better than "Hi." Your boss should know what the email is about before opening it. Tip 3. Respond promptly. If your manager sends you a message, respond within a reasonable time. Even if you do not have the answer yet, say, "Thank you for your message. I am looking into this and will get back to you shortly." Tip 4. Do not go to your boss only with problems. Go with solutions too. Say, "I noticed this issue and I have already started working on a solution. I wanted to keep you informed." Tip 5. End conversations positively. "Thank you for your time. I appreciate your guidance. I look forward to your feedback." These small sentences leave a lasting impression. Part 8. Practice section. Now it is your turn. I want you to repeat every phrase after me. Say it out loud. Do not just read it in your head. Use your voice. This is speaking practice. Ready? Let us go. Good morning. Do you have a moment to chat? Say it again. Good morning. Do you have a moment to chat? I wanted to give you a quick update. One more time. I wanted to give you a quick update. Could you please clarify what you mean? Again. Could you please clarify what you mean? I apologize for the delay. I will have it ready by end of day. Say it with confidence. I apologize for the delay. I will have it ready by end of day. I was thinking that we could try a new approach. What do you think? Beautiful. I was thinking that we could try a new approach. What do you think? Would it be possible to schedule a short meeting this week? Once more. Would it be possible to schedule a short meeting this week? I am not sure yet, but I will find out and get back to you shortly. Great. I am not sure yet, but I will find out and get back to you shortly. You are doing so well. Keep going. Practice these every single day. Put them on sticky notes. Record yourself. Play it back. Listen to how you sound and improve. Part 9. Confidence building. I want to take a moment to speak to your heart, not just your mind, because I know that for many of you, the biggest block is not grammar. It is fear. It is the fear of sounding stupid, the fear of being judged, the fear of making a mistake in front of someone important. But here is the truth that I need you to hear. Your boss does not expect you to be perfect. They expect you to be professional. And professional means you are clear. You are respectful. You are responsible. That is it. That is all. Every single person who speaks English confidently today was once where you are right now. They made mistakes. They felt embarrassed. And then they kept going. And that is exactly what you are going to do. The difference between someone who improves and someone who stays stuck is one thing: practice. Daily, consistent, small practice. 10 minutes a day, 5 phrases a day, 1 dialogue a day. It adds up faster than you think. You are already doing something brave by watching this video and working on yourself. That takes courage, and I am proud of you for that. Part 10. Summary and revision. Let us quickly review what we covered today so it stays in your memory. We learned 10 essential workplace vocabulary words, including update, deadline, priority, feedback, and clarify. We learned professional daily phrases for greeting your boss, asking for help, giving updates, and requesting clarification. We practiced 5 powerful sentence patterns that you can use in almost any situation. We went through 3 real-life dialogues showing how professional conversations actually sound. We worked on pronunciation of key phrases. We identified 5 common mistakes and replaced them with professional alternatives. We covered 5 cultural tips for building a strong working relationship with your manager, and we practiced everything out loud together. Here are your 5 most important phrases to remember and use starting tomorrow. I wanted to give you a quick update. Could you please clarify that for me? Would it be possible to? I apologize. I will resolve this by. I will find out and get back to you shortly. Write these down. Put them somewhere you can see them. Use at least one of them tomorrow at work. Closing. Your call to action. You have come so far in just this one lesson. I am genuinely proud of you. But learning without action does not create change. So here is what I want you to do right now. First, leave a comment below telling me, which phrase from today's lesson are you going to use first? Write it out. Practice it in the comments. I read every single one. Second, hit the like button if this lesson helped you. It helps more people like you find this channel and improve their English. Third, subscribe if you have not already. I post lessons like this regularly, and every single one is designed to make your English stronger, more confident, and more professional. And fourth, share this video with one friend or colleague who also wants to improve their professional English, because learning is always better when you do it together. And most importantly, practice. Not tomorrow, not next week, tonight. Go back to the dialogue sections, repeat the phrases, record yourself, make it a habit. Because your English is not going to improve by watching videos alone. It improves when you open your mouth and use what you have learned. You are capable of this. You are already improving. And the next time your boss walks over to your desk, you are going to look up, smile, and speak with complete confidence. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep going. You are doing amazing.